The heater is back because it's freezing, man. It got so cold this week. Today the high was like 40. It's currently like 35 outside. It's only like 5:20 at night. Well, night now. So yeah, everything's night. Going drifting tomorrow. It's 45. Little bit of chance of rain, so we'll see what happens. But before I do that, I need to do some other stuff. We need to align the wheels. The toe is currently so whack that when I hit bumps, the wheels just like flop side to side. It's super bad. So the front needs to be aligned. Also, you probably just saw that. New sponsors for the season, baby. This is my sponsors right here. Super sick. So happy to have sponsors this year. It's gonna make drifting a lot better. Eat your veggies, you know.
I got beans, greens, potatoes, tomatoes, lamb, rams, beans, greens, potatoes, tomatoes, chicken, beans, greens, potatoes, tomatoes, lamb, rams, no, beans, greens, potatoes, tomatoes, chicken.
I also threw some other stickers on the car. Throw used car batteries in the ocean. Fuck those AutoZone dicks. Same thing right here. Fuck AutoZone. Used car batteries belong in the ocean. It's safe and legal. Thrill. Locals, cool dudes in Canada. Wish they still made videos, but I think they're busy with stuff. Who knows? That's a chopped sticker and grind hard. Dope as fuck. Oh, and there's one more. Right there. I don't know if you can see it. Not to be operated by fuckwits. Super edgy, I know. Alright, let's get started on the toe. I got some angle iron. Big old piece of angle iron. And I got 2 identical tape measures. So here's the setup I got. 2 pieces of wood, angle iron, up against the wheel, because the wheel is flat. And here's the problem you're going to run into with a lowered car. So you want the tape measure, see this side's fine. So the tape measure is perfectly straight, nothing's touching it, and everything works. However, on this side, if we look, what is that, the subframe? See how it's deforming the tape measure? So that tape measure is not straight, and it's using up more length to reach this distance, actually. We need to just figure out the right height for this so that it's low enough to not hit anything with the tape measure, but also high enough that it doesn't do this. You know, this is wobbly because it's not making enough contact with the wheel. So I just got to figure out the right height and the right stack of crap to get it to go all the way straight through the car. So I'm going to keep looking for some crap, some scrap wood and all sorts of crap to try to get this the right height. So I searched like the whole garage to finally find something, and it happened to be these 2 amps I had. That's my amp from my old SC, and I had a spare one for some reason, no idea why, but that's the perfect height. Nothing's touching now. And this is the beautiful revelation. We have, see, that's 73. That's 74 and a half. We have 1.5 inches of toe in. From factory, this car is supposed to have 1/16 of an inch, or 1/24 of an inch, about 1 millimeter. It's supposed to have 1 millimeter of toe in, and it currently has 1.5 inches of toe in. So this shit is fucked.
It says on your chart that you're fucked up and your shit's all retarded. What I do is just like you know, you know what I mean? Like,
it's really bad. I'm either doing something wrong and I'm measuring something wrong, or this just way. I mean, it makes sense. The car is horrible. Like, I go off the driveway and the wheel just like yanks to the side. It's really bad. So it probably is that bad. So first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna loosen the tie rod ends, and we're gonna get the wheel straight, because right now the wheel is complete. You saw in the driving videos, the wheel is like pretty crooked. So I'm gonna get the wheel straightened out first, and then we'll start aligning it. Jam nuts loosened up. can't turn in my hand because it's rusty as fuck, but I let these soak in WD-40 the day before. This is able to move separately from this. So now I gotta disconnect the boot because when you twist it, it's gonna twist and break. So I gotta disconnect this clamp so that the boot can spin freely away from the inner tie rod. This is a 14 mil. This is a 3/4 inch, which is, I think, a 19 mil. Holy shit, look how cracked these tires are. Alright, I can't really film this, as you can see there's not much room here, because you have to have the car on the ground. I can't lift it up. So this is all I can do for now. Just little updates. I'll be back with another update once I have everything straightened out, and then we can straighten out the toe. Alright, so I've just been cranking it. You see I pushed it out like a good 1/2 inch. Now I'm actually afraid of how much tie rod is there, or you know, how much inner tie rod is there, how much thread. But good news is I can go back now because we are a 1/2 inch toed out. See, 73.5, 74. So we can bring it back. So I'm gonna get it down to 0 and we'll see how the car drives. Now that's good content. Check. Oh snap, I think we're almost there. 73 and 3/4. Oh shit, 73 and 3/4. Wow, you guys witnessed it. I knew exactly when to stop. So now I just gotta hold on to this and tighten the jam nut and we'll be good to go. So steering wheel is now not straight. So we're gonna straighten the wheel and we'll see which way the wheel's pointing. That's pointing left. And that's pointing left as well. So now everything needs to move right. Yeah, that's pointing left, so everything needs to move right. Which means I need to do... I hate thinking about stuff like this. It's all reversed. Alright, everything's straight. Got the wheel straight. You can see that wheel is straight. That wheel is straight. And we got 73 and 3/4 on both sides. So now I can lock up the jam nuts and alignment is done. I'm obviously gonna recheck the alignment once this is done. Toed in a little more. Boom! Alignment's done. Alright, I'm gonna go give it a drive, see how it drives. Teddy is super sad because mommy's not home. Yeah, I miss mommy. Yeah. Teddy. Oh, he got it off. He managed to finally get it off. Alright. Let's take it for a test drive. This is the biggest test. Is coming off the garage. It used to wobble the wheel like crazy, so let's see what happens now. Nothing, dude. Perfectly straight. Yeah, the wheel straightens itself so fast. Like, look at this. Yeah, way better. And the wheel's perfectly straight. I'm driving straight. The wheel's perfectly straight. I know you can't see, but here. See? Wheel is perfectly straight. And we're going straight. So, everything's good. There you have it. Perfect alignment. Perfect. Perfect alignment for, I think it cost me $24. This was like 18 bucks. $3. So yeah, 24 bucks. Not bad, not bad. It drives perfect. It drives straight. Wheels straight. No bump steer like at all. You saw I went off the driveway. My driveway's got a pretty big lip. The wheel used to like yank to the left. And then the self steer also. Wheel straightens itself out super fast. They used to like just kind of sit there. So counter steering now should be a lot quicker and easier. And my power steering isn't whining as much. I bled it a little bit, so I had the front wheels lifted up and I was just turning it side to side. It seems better, but it's probably not going to be perfect because the rack is still leaking. Gonna wrap up this video. I was going to do the mirrors in this video. However, the cover, I'm designing a cover for this to go over this so it's nice and pretty because that looks like shit. That's taking a little longer. I thought it was flat, but it turns out there's a curvature this way and then there's a curvature like this way. Makes it a lot harder to design. Still working on that. That will be in the next video. Then the video after that is going to be drifting again. So that's going to be fun. Thanks for watching, Ding Dongs. I'll see you next week.
America, America. Do you have your passport? Did you get your drive?